Alright. Sitting next to a fat cat who's plainly staring at me. Don't know what I'd do if that cat came after me. Suddenly I realized it was after me and my chips. Watch me with big cat eyes as I put one on my lips. The cat looked like it was gonna jump on my lappy. So I ate some more and it made me happy. Yum, 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 yum. Watch out, I scream at my neighbor from outside. Holy cow, the cat is gnawing out my eyes. Ow, 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 ow. Cats will get you in the end. I don't know how this goes. No cat can be your friend. The cat slammed me into a wall of bricks. Then I can't read my handwriting.
Clenched your hip.
Then it looked at me and clenched my hips.